Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to download and install Intel High Definition Audio Driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to download and install your sound driver, Intel High Definition Audio Driver, then I will show you simple method to how to do this. First of all, you just need to open your browser, then type here download Intel High Definition Audio Driver. Then hit enter. You can see www.intel.com. This is an Intel website. You just need to click this. Here you will find the version. This is the latest version. If you want, just click on this. You can see this is the Intel High Definition Audio Driver. It will support for Windows 11, Windows 10 of 64-bit. The total size is 38.7 MB. Just click on this download file. Then click on I accept the terms and license agreement. You can see that download has been started. After completion of this download, just click on this, open the folder. You can see this is the folder. Double click on that. Just close this. Here you can see the setup file. Just double click to run this setup file. Then click on yes. Just close this all other windows. You can see the installation process has been started. Just click on next. I had already installed this driver, so I am cancelling this driver. After completion of this installation of this driver, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved, or the driver which you want to install, the installation will complete. That's it guys. So in this way you can install Intel High Definition Audio Driver for your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.